Only 13% of fresh-off-the-lot SUVs make it through their first decade without catastrophic mechanical failure, odds worse than surviving your first year as a food truck entrepreneur. The automotive cemetery overflows with blown transmissions, seized engines, and hybrid systems that died expensive deaths. In the next 20 minutes, you'll uncover 7 Consumer Reports darlings that demolish those grim statistics. One boxy underdog prevents more accidents through superior visibility than any safety technology ever invented. Another luxury hybrid whispers like a meditation retreat while accelerating faster than most sports cars. The shocking twist? The most premium vehicle here costs less to maintain than your neighbor's economy hatchback over 10 years. Vehicle 1. Subaru Forester, the accident prevention machine. What if preventing crashes mattered more than surviving them? The Subaru Forester champions this radical philosophy through greenhouse architecture that reveals dangers hiding in every blind spot. Thin roof pillars and expansive glass surfaces expose pedestrians, bicycles, and wayward shopping carts a full 3 seconds before sleek competitors notice trouble brewing. Insurance data confirms Forester drivers experience 23% fewer backing incidents and 31% fewer intersection collisions compared to segment averages. But that's not all. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive distributes power continuously to every corner without waiting for wheel-spin drama, transforming Colorado mountain passes and Minnesota ice storms into confident conquests. A Wyoming rancher accumulated 310,000 miles across brutal terrain, with nothing but scheduled maintenance. His biggest surprise was discovering the original clutch still functioned perfectly at trade-in time. The cabin prioritizes durability over decoration. Water-resistant upholstery laughs off muddy adventures, while the completely flat cargo floor accommodates everything from lumber to livestock feed. Engage hill descent control before tackling steep grades. The system choreographs throttle, brakes, and torque distribution so masterfully that gravity seems negotiable. Honest engineering, proven results. Vehicle 2. Honda Pilot, multi-generational reliability legend. Picture transporting 9 family members plus luggage across 3 states while achieving better fuel economy than most compact sedans. That's Tuesday routine for Honda Pilot owners who refuse to choose between space and efficiency. This engineering masterpiece combines a refined 3.5-liter V6 with Honda's seamless 10-speed automatic, creating a powertrain so bulletproof that Consumer Reports labels it generational wealth on wheels. It gets crazier. The stadium seating configuration elevates second-row passengers above first-row occupants, providing amphitheater views for everyone aboard, while simplifying third-row access through genius one-pull seat mechanisms. When cargo duty calls, folding all rear seats reveals 84.3 cubic feet of loading space, sufficient volume for motorcycles, furniture, or month-long camping expeditions. The latest Honda sensing package merges camera and radar intelligence to predict lane wandering 0.4 seconds earlier than previous systems. A Phoenix taxi operator, specializing in airport shuttles, logged 127,000 miles in 22 months. Routine oil changes represented his entire maintenance budget, while original brake pads lasted 95,000 miles thanks to intelligent regenerative systems. The reason this durability exists stems from Honda's obsessive testing protocols that simulate 300,000-mile lifespans before production approval. Activate snow mode on any questionable surface. The recalibrated throttle mapping transforms slippery situations into confident cruising. Family fortress, financial fortress. Vehicle 3. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid, origami meets engineering. Designer Sang-Yup Lee's angular vision transformed from conference room sketches into highway reality, creating the Tucson Hybrid's sharp-creased bodywork that turns suburban driveways into automotive art galleries. This isn't superficial styling. Every faceted surface serves aerodynamic purpose while hiding practical innovations like reclining rear seats and bicycle-friendly cargo dimensions that swallow mountain bikes without wheel removal. But listen to this. The 1.6-liter turbocharged Heart teams with a robust electric motor through a conventional 6-speed automatic, eliminating CVT rubber band sensations while delivering 226 combined horsepower that feels eager rather than strained. Consumer Reports documented 37.8 mpg across diverse conditions while praising the transmission's decisive shifts and linear power delivery. The angular architecture conceals thoughtful touches. Rear passengers enjoy 8 degrees of recline luxury while the dual-zone climate system maintains perfect comfort zones. A Nashville music producer accumulated 89,000 touring miles in 18 months. His service history reads like minimalist poetry, oil filters rotation. Hyundai's unprecedented 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain coverage transforms vehicle ownership from risky gamble into guaranteed investment. Select Eco Mode for weekday efficiency, Sport Mode for weekend entertainment. The software personality transplant happens instantly. Future bonus. Over-the-air. Updates will soon enable route learning battery management that optimizes electric assistance based on your daily patterns. Artistic vision. Practical execution. Vehicle 4. Lexus NX Hybrid silent luxury engineering. Imagine sliding into premium sanctuary so acoustically perfect that highway conversations happen at whisper volume. That's the Lexus NX Hybrid experience, where Toyota's proven hybrid technology receives luxury treatment worthy of private jets. Consumer Reports measured cabin noise at just 63 decibels during 70 miles per hour cruising, quieter than most library reading rooms and dramatically superior to diesel competitors that sound like construction sites. The reason this serenity exists involves obsessive sound engineering, triple-sealed door frames, acoustic glass barriers, and strategic sound-deadening materials that transform road chaos into meditative silence. Mark Levinson's 17-speaker audio system makes podcast listening feel like studio attendance, while semi-aniline leather and genuine wood trim create tactile experiences rivaling Italian craftsmanship. The redesigned infotainment finally abandons the notorious trackpad for intuitive 14-inch touchscreen operation. It gets worse for maintenance-heavy luxury rivals. A Seattle cardiologist logged 156,000 commuter miles across 5 years, with 0 unscheduled repairs. Her service record includes only oil changes, filter replacements, and 1 set of windshield wipers. The hybrid system's regenerative braking preserved original pads for 105,000 miles, while delivering consistent 36 mpg performance regardless of driving conditions. Enable predictive, efficient drive to automatically optimize battery charging during downhill sections. Free energy recovery, without conscious effort. Luxury that lasts. Silence that sells. Vehicle 5. Mazda CX-5. Premium illusion at economy pricing. What happens when perfectionist engineers refuse to accept that affordable means compromised? The Mazda CX-5 answers through Kodo design language so sophisticated that valet attendants regularly mistake it for German luxury. Sculpted metalwork catches light like liquid mercury, while interior materials rival brands costing twice as much. Genuine leather, real wood accents, and precision-machined controls create ambiance that feels bespoke rather than mass-produced. But that's not all. Mazda's G-vectoring control subtly reduces engine output during cornering entry, transferring weight forward for sharper turn-in response that transforms mundane highway merges into driving satisfaction. This handling wizardry coexists with 29 combined mpg efficiency and above-average reliability ratings that Consumer Reports senior analyst Jake Fisher calls the consistency breakthrough we've waited decades to see from Mazda. A Portland food blogger clocked 95,000 miles chasing restaurant openings throughout the Pacific Northwest. Her CX-5's only complaint involved a frayed floor mat that Mazda replaced under goodwill warranty. The naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine choice delivers lower insurance premiums and simplified maintenance schedules compared to turbocharged alternatives. Choose premium appearance packages for maximum luxury illusion. The incremental cost pays dividends through elevated daily experiences. Beautiful engineering. Brilliant value. Love insights without sales pressure? Smash like so we know you're gaining value. Hit subscribe and the notification bell. Stay connected for more real-world automotive intelligence. Vehicle 6. Honda CR-V Hybrid Invisible Efficiency Revolution. Can mainstream family transportation really achieve Toyota Prius fuel economy while offering more cargo space than traditional minivans? Consumer Reports proves the Honda CR-V Hybrid accomplishes exactly this impossible balance. Recording genuine 41 mpg, averages from spacious utility that hauls everything from hockey equipment to home improvement supplies without mechanical strain. School morning routines become stealth operations, engine silent, motors humming, neighborhood peace undisturbed. The reason this efficiency miracle functions lies within Honda's sophisticated dual-motor architecture that transitions seamlessly between electric, hybrid, and direct drive modes so transparently that passengers frequently question whether the system operates at all. Tochigi Research Facility engineers summarize their achievement perfectly. Invisible technology produces visible benefits at every fuel pump visit. That transparency extends to acoustic refinement. Cabin measurements register 65 decibels at highway speeds, surpassing many luxury sedan standards. It gets worse for conventional competitors. Owner surveys reveal 0 unscheduled powertrain failures across initial 3-year ownership periods, a durability achievement reached by only 11% of non-premium SUVs. A Colorado family documented 248,000 trouble-free miles, using exclusively routine maintenance before upgrading solely for the newest generation's enhanced rear passenger space. Test electric-only operation during early morning departures. Your neighbors will thank you while your fuel costs plummet. Efficiency without sacrifice, reliability without question. Vehicle 7. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid Traction. Without compromise. Here's mechanical wizardry that rewrites physics. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid delivers all-wheel traction without traditional driveshaft connections. Using dedicated rear electric motors that respond to slip conditions in 0.08 seconds faster than human nerves, register trouble. This electronic all-wheel drive distributes up to 85% of available torque rearward instantly, creating mountain climbing confidence that mechanical systems simply cannot duplicate. It gets crazier during winter testing, where Consumer Reports documented consistent 38 mpg fuel economy, while the RAV4 conquered Vermont ice storms that defeated heavier conventional SUVs. The electronic brain prevents wheel spin rather than reacting to it, transforming treacherous conditions into confident adventures. Dr. Hiroshi Tanaka, Toyota's hybrid systems chief, explains the advantage simply. We eliminate slip before it begins, not after damage occurs. But listen to this. The driveshaft elimination liberates interior space for sedan-like rear legroom within SUV packaging, while regenerative braking extends brake pad life to 85,000-mile intervals. A Montana family accumulated 195,000 all-terrain miles with maintenance limited to oil changes and tire rotations. Their biggest expense involved replacing all-season tires at 70,000-mile intervals. Engage trail mode before tackling loose surfaces. The system modulates power delivery so precisely that gravel roads feel paved. Electronic evolution. Mechanical revolution. 7 vehicles. 7 different approaches to defeating automotive mortality statistics. One undeniable truth. Exceptional engineering amplifies every investment dollar. Avoid annual repair gambling. Choose designs that prioritize decade-long reliability over short-term savings. Our next exploration reveals 5 hidden maintenance traps that bankrupt SUV owners. Tap the playlist link to stay ahead of expensive surprises. Not professional advice. Consult a qualified expert as needed.